How to allow or disallow bullet comment for following. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Rednote app. Log in with your account details. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and go to Settings. In Settings, simply head toward Privacy Settings. Once you click on it, you will see the option of Allow Bullet Comment for Following. Once you toggle this feature on, you will be able to receive bullet comments for following on Rednote app. To simply toggle off this feature, turn on this feature in the privacy setting. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to allow or disallow bullet comments for following. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.